Good day, dear students. Myself, Mrs. Swarupa Deshpande from Advocate Bapusaheb Bonde High School welcomes you all for today's English 1 class. This is a story. Everybody likes a story, so everyone listen carefully. The story's name is The Egg. Baby parrot lived in a nest with mummy and a big white egg. So, who were living together? Yes, baby parrot, mummy and a egg. How was the egg? Yes, it was big and white. So all of them lived in a nest. Right? Where they lived? They lived in a nest. What do you understand by this? These three were living in a nest. Like we live in our home, birds live in their nest. Do you all know that? Bird's house is called, bird's shelter is called nest. N-E-S-T, nest. See that. I am going to find some food, said mummy one day. So one day what happened? The mummy parrot said that I am going to bring some food for you. Like your mummy and daddy works for you, cook the whole day, but birds don't work and earns money. They don't cooks also. So they have to go out and bring some food. Do you know how they brings the food? They finds the food. Then they keep it in their beaks and then they come and give it to their babies because their babies can't go out for food. So this is the way they serve their babies, by bringing the food in their beak. They bring the food in the beak. You must look after the egg until I return. So what does mama parrot says to baby parrot? She told that baby parrot to take care of the big white egg till she returns. Means till she comes back, the baby parrot has to take care of the big white egg. Yes. Normally what happens when if you are a big brother or big sister, or a small brother or small sister, your mummy when goes out tells that who is the elder one, he will take care of the younger one. Yes, right now. Yes. So when mummy is going out, he always tell to the elder sibling that take care of the younger sibling, right? Yes. If you are elder, you have to take care of the younger one. But if you are younger, then your brother or sister who is elder, she takes care of you. Then what? Baby parrot watched the egg for a very long time. So what the baby parrot was doing? He was watching the egg for a very long time. The baby parrot was taking care of that egg. He was very good and he always obey everything his mother says. So she was moving around and taking care of the egg. Yes, she was moving. Yes, she moved it around to make sure it was comfortable. Also, why she was moving? Because she was seeing that whether the baby, means that egg, is comfortable or not. Is that egg is having any problem? No. Whether it is happy or not. She was checking all the time. Who? Baby parrot. She was taking care of the big white egg because she cares for her younger one, right? And also mummy has told him, you also obey what your mummy says to you, right? Yes or no? Yes, I know you all obey the things what your mother says. She wrapped her wings around it to make sure it was warm. So she was protecting the egg from the cold. So what she does, she wrapped her wings around to take care of that egg. Sometimes she thinks that whether the egg is feeling cold or what, so she is wrapping her wings around of the egg to take and keep the egg warm. So she is such a good sister, right? The baby parrot. Yes, she is taking care of the egg very nicely. She was making the egg very comfortable. Yes or no? Yes. Do your means your younger brother or sister takes care of each other? Yes? Yes, very good. So, same way, this sister or brother or some siblings were taking care, right? The younger sibling was taking care of the elder sister, was taking care of the younger one, right? Yes. Because she thinks that if I wrap the wings, it will be comfortable for the egg and the egg will feel warm. It will not feel cold, right? I am very good at looking after eggs, she thought. So when she was taking care, she thought that I am very good after taking care of the eggs. She thought like that. Why? Because she is taking a good care of the eggs. Just then she heard the monkeys playing in the tree. So what happened next? As soon as she thinks that she is a very good for taking care of the eggs, some monkeys were playing in the trees. So baby parrot tried to call like a monkey too. So she was making a sounds of monkey. She was happy to see the monkeys. So she was trying to call like a monkey, right? Yes, she was enjoying what they were playing. Yes. As she was having the responsibility, she was not able to play she can't go out and play like them. So she was enjoying what they were playing and she was trying to call like a monkey. As she was a responsible sister, she was not going anywhere. She was near the nest and taking care of the egg, only watching at the monkeys. What she does, she peered over the edges of the nest and laughed at their games. It means that she was looking them very carefully and from over the edges of the nest. Even though she was not able to see, she was seeing it from the edges of the nest and laughing at their games, and she was enjoying the games they were playing. As she can't leave the nest, so she was standing on the edges of the nest and trying to see the monkeys, watch the monkeys, laughing at their games. She was enjoying sitting it near the nest. Because why? Because she is a responsible sister, right? Peered means to look closely or carefully at somebody or something. She was trying to look to the monkeys, even though she was not able to see them properly, but she is trying to see them, right? Yes. So these monkeys were playing and diverting her attention. Then also she was not going to play with them. She is on the edges. Suddenly baby parrot remembered the egg. After a while, she was looking at the monkeys. She remembered the baby parrot and she go and sits in the nest again. She looked around and gulped. It was broken. Mommy would be angry. So what happened? So she comes back to the nest and she looks here and there. But what she found, she also looks into the nest. What she found? She found that the egg was broken. So now what happened? She was afraid of her mummy, that whether I am not a good sister or what, whether I was not able to handle my responsibility properly or not. See, she was thinking in that way, because I was trying to take proper care of the egg. But why it happened that the egg is broken? She was afraid now. Yes, she thought her mother will scold her. When your mother tells you something to do and if it is not done properly, yes, sometimes the thing is broken by you or falls down, then what you do? You get afraid of your mother, whether she will scold us now, right? In the same way happens with a baby parrot. She was afraid of her mother now, and she feels that I am not a good sister because I was not able to take proper care of my little white egg, and mummy has handled me, given me this responsibility, and why I was not able to do like this. She was feeling very bad, and also she was afraid of her mother. She will be angry now because I was not able to take proper care of the egg. What do you mean by gulped? to make a swallowing movement because you are afraid or surprised. Many times this happens when you are afraid or surprised, you make a swallowing movement. But when mummy returned, she wasn't angry at all. What happened? She was very afraid, but when mummy returns, was she afraid? Sorry, was she angry? No, she was not at all angry on her. Don't worry, mummy said, as a little parrot popped out of the broken eggshell. So mummy was not angry, she was happy that now a little parrot will be popping out of the broken shell. She tells a baby parrot that don't get afraid of me, I am not going to be angry on you. I am happy that a little parrot will pop out of the broken shell. Now you will get a sibling to play with you. So don't get afraid, I am not going to be angry on you. So pop means what? Burst open with a sound. What? Burst open with a sound. Now the little parrot is going to come out, breaking the eggshell, right? Here the baby parrot is out now. It is going to come out, burst open with a sound. Popped means. Yes. Now whether she was happy, baby parrot? Yes, she was happy because she got a new baby sister. Yes. She is going to get a new baby to play with her. So she was happy now. Yes. The egg has hatched while I was away. Now you have got a new baby sister to play with. So what did mummy says that you have got a new baby sister to play with you. When I was out, the egg has been hatched. So you should be happy. Hatched means what? To come out of an egg. Hatched means the baby is coming out of the eggshell. Now dictation words. Baby, B-A-B-Y, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Third is M-U-M-M-Y, mummy. Fourth is C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E, comfortable. Yes. Fifth is wrap. W-R-A-P, wrap. Next, R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R, remember. Gulp, G-U-L-P, gulp, swallowing. A-N-G-R-Y, angry. E-G-G-S-H-E-L-L, eggshell. It is eggshell. H-A-T-C-H, hatch. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. E-D-G-E, edge. Yes, you have to complete this dictation words in your notebooks. What is the next question? Answer the following. Who lived in the nest? So who was living in the nest? First is mummy, baby parrot, and a big white shell, the big white egg. These all three were living in the nest, right? So you will write the answer. Baby parrot lived in the nest with mummy and a big white egg. Now see the next question. What did baby parrot remember? What does she remember? Yes, what does she remember? Don't know? Okay, I'll answer you. The baby parrot remembered the egg. What she remembered? She remembered the egg when she was watching at the monkeys. After some time she remembered the egg, big white egg, which she was taking care of, which was told by her mother to take care of the big white egg. So the baby parrot remembered the egg, right? Okay, now we'll go to the next question. What is the next question? Now you have get a new baby sister to play with. Who said this? So who said this, that you have got a new baby sister to play with? Mummy said these words to whom? To a baby parrot, that you have got a baby sister to play with you. Yes. So what is the next? Add words to the following to make longer phrases, right? So first is example which is given in the textbook, that is a parrot. So you have to make the phrase longer, that a baby parrot. After that, a baby parrot is in a nest. First parrot, baby parrot, a baby parrot in the nest. These are the phrases which are made longer from a word parrot. So we'll go to the next one. What is the next one? Egg. We have to make the phrase longer with the help of word egg, right? And first is an egg. Yes. After that we will write an broken egg. What we will write? First is just an egg. After that it broke, so we'll write it a broken egg. It will become a broken egg. First is an egg, second is a broken egg, and a third is a broken egg in the nest. The third will be a broken egg in the nest. What is the next word? The next is mummy. Yes. First is my mummy. First will be my mummy. After that my caring mummy. And third will be my caring mummy is busy all time. You can write any other word also, sentence also. You can make any other phrase also. First mummy, then my caring mummy. My caring mummy is busy all the time. Next is monkey. A monkey. A monkey. First is a monkey. Second is a restless monkey. And third will be what? What do you think? What will be the third one? A restless monkey jumping from tree to tree. Normally a restless monkey do the same thing. So a restless monkey jumping from tree to tree. Now go to the next question. Write one line each about the character you have met in the story. Whom you met in the story? First is baby parrot, right? Yes, the baby parrot was taking care of the white egg. Baby parrot was very caring and responsible, right? Now to whom you met the second character? What is the second character you met in the story? What? You don't know? Who was baby parrot taking the responsibility? Why she was ready? Because her mummy told. Yes. So the second character is mummy. Mummy went to find food. Why mummy went out? Because she was trying to find food for the baby parrot, right? Yes. Find the small words hidden in a big words. Yes, you have that question number 8. Yes. First is comfortable. Try to find small words from this hidden word. Big word is given to you. So you have to find out some small hidden words in this big word. Yes? Yes or no? How you will find? Already we have done these things in our previous lesson. Yes? Comfortable, eggshell and monkey. 3 words are given to you. You have to find the small hidden words in these big words. First is comfort. Second is stable. Third is FOR for. COME come. Yes. FORT for. ABLE able. Whatever words you can find in this, you can add it by yourself. Some of them I have given to you. So the next one is eggshell. Yes, we have to find a small hidden words from the word eggshell. Have you guessed anything? Yes, EGG egg, SHELL shell, then SELL cell, it can be like that also. EEL a fish, you can write. Or whatever words you can find from this word, you can complete the more words. Okay. He, yes, you can write small words also. Hell, okay. What else you know? Any other words you know, you can add in this. She, you know, okay, add she, then gel. See, many words can be made from this big word. So next is MONKEY, monkey. So what are the words, small words hidden in this big word? K-E-Y, key. Yes, key. O-N, on. N-O, no. M-E, me. M-E-N, men. What else? M-O-N-E-Y, money. Yes. What else? M-O-N-K, N-K, monk. What else words you can find? You can write in this. So you will complete this all in your notebook. Okay. Now go to the next question. Find out the words from the story which contain blends, double letters in their spelling. So you have to find out the words which have double letters in their spelling. Double letters. Okay. First one is what? First example, parrot, in which double R is a blend. Okay, double letter blends you have to find out. So in the same way, from this lesson you have lots of words which have double letters. So you will find them and write, you will complete it in the textbook itself. Okay, I hope you must have understood this lesson and the exercise. You will complete it in your notebook. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our class channel. Till then, bye bye all of you.